Варюкас. Варюкас, 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 варюкас. Ку-ку. Варюкас. Бужутис. Бари. Или Эрика. Варюкас. Кури Эрика. Барю. Варюкас. Bonjour Erika.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, comment allez-vous?
Bonjour. Hello everyone. I'm Erika. Welcome to my channel. And today I want to share with you my knowledge about body scrubs. Why to use body scrub and why it is important and what kind of benefits we can gain from it. Very easy, we can make a body scrub at home. Almost everything we have in our kitchen. We can take white salt, finely grained salt. Also find some sweet almond oil as a base. And please use the magic. The magic is essential oils. So for the first recipe, I'm going to give you two recipes. For the first recipe, I chose for you peppermint oil and cypress oil. So we have two ingredients, and now is the most important thing, how to blend them. So, I take peppermint oil. It has a nice flavor, nice fragrance. You always feel alive. So what you take, you can inhale and exhale and add 3 drops of peppermint oil to base. Peppermint oil, it is very essential for our body because it gives us tonicity, breaks down the fat acids, improves microcirculation, and also helps us to be energized. The second oil is cypress. Cypress oil help us to balance, to calm down. It also very, very efficient again and works against veins deficiency. So please keep attention to that. And we also add 3 drops. And voila, we added 6 drops of essential oils of cypress and peppermint. Don't put too much of the oils, just 6 drops. What we do then? We add base oil of sweet almond. And voila. Then we can blend everything. We have a nice flavor. And all the mixture, we just add our salt. We can mix it. And voila! The second recipe for the body scrub is also very simple, a little bit more feminine, more sensual. So you just can find sugar. I found in my kitchen brown sugar, but you can use white sugar. So you take sugar, 1 ingredient. The second ingredient is the same. I used the base oil, sweet almond oil. Also you can use any other vegetable oil you like. You can use carrot oil, you can use macadamia oil, jojoba, or argan oil. And again, magic, 2 essential oils. First oil is ylang ylang. It is grown in India. It is very sweet, very feminine, very sensual. It awakes our femininity. even when you already inhale this fragrance, you feel already balanced and calm and relaxed. So what we do in a base oil, again, 3 drops of essential oil. 1, 2, 3. Voila. And the second oil is patchouli. Patchouli is very earthy, very musky oil. It also brings us down to earth. It relaxes us. And we add 3 drops of patchouli essential oil. Voila. So what we do now, we just mix all the essential oils and all the vegetable oils together. Don't use too much of drops of essential oils. Only 3 drops of ylang ylang oil and 3 drops of patchouli oil. Oh, the fragrance is beautiful. These are mesmerizing scents. If you want to make a really beautiful spa at home, so this is the way to be. What we do, we add all the base and essential oils to sugar. We mix it. And it is ready to go to a bath. So we've learned to do 2 scrubs. The first one was with a salt, and the second one was with sugar. On y va?
On y va.
We had a body scrub. I took a warm glass of water, and I will show you movements, how to do a proper body scrub in a bathroom. Let's go. Usually I follow a certain routine with a body scrub. To get a sensual feeling, firstly, I take warm shower to remove all the impurities. Then I slightly apply a thin layer of oil on the body part I'm going to exfoliate. The body scrub starts with the circle movements from the bottom of your legs linked to the lymphatic points. Wash the body scrub first with warm water And after that, with little bit of colder water. While doing a scrub, talk with your body. Feel every cell of your body. Feel the positive energy. And don't be shy. Give yourself as much love as you can. Feel love, femininity, and sensibility. After a body scrub, you can take a soft towel and wrap yourself and feel the final touches of the treatment. You can extend a fabulous journey to yourself laying down on a sofa with a favorite cup of tea and enhance a detox process. I even have more recipes for you to give about body scrubs. What you just have to do, just write me the email, which is listed below this video, and I will get back with you with beautiful, interesting recipes. And also, please leave me the comments about what else would you like to hear. That would help me a lot creating my content and giving you interesting channel. Thank you and see you.